In 2004, a Harvard dorm room project called Facebook began simply to connect students. But founder Mark Zuckerberg had a vision far bigger than a college directory. It quickly exploded, opening to the world in 2006. The news feed revolutionized how we shared. The like button became a global icon. Facebook wasn't just a website. It was connecting billions of people, becoming an undeniable force in communication. Its rapid rise saw strategic acquisitions. Instagram in 2012, WhatsApp in 2014, securing its dominance in photo sharing and messaging. But with immense power came immense scrutiny, privacy concerns, misinformation, and global controversies. Then, in 2021, a shocking rebrand. Facebook became Meta Platforms. Why? A massive bet on the Metaverse, a future of immersive virtual worlds. From a dorm room to building digital universes, Meta's journey is a non-stop evolution. What's next for Meta? Let us know in the comments. Like this video and subscribe for more company stories.